Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you the 7 best ideas for your summer business. So let's get started. So first is we will make a kit. So to make a kit here I am using .kit.co. So here we can see I have logged in the kit. You can just log in by your Gmail ID. So kit makes a kit means kit makes a kit of the products. Okay. So for example, we will have to open a chat GPT. So here in this video I've made a kit. You can see my profile. So here I've made one kit, that is travel pack. So this is my travel pack. I can just share through here as GIF or here as just copy directly by sharing the link. If anyone would open, they can just open from here. So you can just see here is kit. So this is my product that I've made. Note the commission may be earned through the link below. So if anyone would purchase from here, the commission will be transferred to my account. Okay. So first method is the kit. So you can just make a kit of a summer. We can just write ChatGPT make a summer product kit. So we can just add a sunscreen, then beach towel, water bottle. So to make the kit, we will click on this plus icon and create kit. So here we have to search for the product. So we can just view the kit, or we can just go to our home and then we can just click on the plus icon and create a new kit. So the kit name will be as summer kit. Okay, do next. So here we have to search for the products. So as you can see, these are the 4 products. So we can just add as first as sunscreen. So you can just add sunscreen. Then you can just add a sunglasses or a beach towel. Just add a beach towel. Then pack 4 beach towel. So you can add a portable Bluetooth speaker from here. You just add of Anchor or JBL, add a JBL speaker. So from here you can just add a cooling towel also. Portable fan, you can just add outdoor games also. And if someone is going to beach, they will run and they will lose the weight. So you can just sell them the fitness products also, like weight loss medicines and weight loss stuffs. Okay, so here we will like outdoor games, like select this game, or we can just go back and we can just select this as the outdoor game. We can just add. So summer kit is ready now, so we can just view the kit from here and we will like share it later. So here you can see our kit is ready. So I will click on the 3 dots and copy it, and we can just check in our private window whether our kit is ready or not. So here you can see our kit has been ready. So I've added about 5 product. So if you send this product like kit for anyone, your friend, your relatives, they will buy. So the first is this, and the second marketing tip I will give you, that you can just make a Pinterest or an Instagram account and then you can promote this product. So the second business idea is Expedia. So what is Expedia? Let's search. So Expedia is type of flight flight booking services or car booking, hotel booking services. So they give a vacation, so you can just join their affiliate program. So you can just go to their affiliate program, or you can just make your offline collection, and you can just make a plan from here and give them to more money. This is our second plan, business plan. And the third is Tab Mobile. Tab Mobile is a app. From that, if you are a social media influencer, if you are having some uh, media connection, you can just go to Tab Mobile and you can just download this. Here you can just promote the apps of brand offers. You can just see from here as they choose an influencer. From here you can see if you promote this, you have to just copy the link on the referral and you will get the commission. So this is very good for your commission based income. And the third is the booking.com. So we can just go to booking.com. Booking.com is same as Expedia. So here you can just book hotel, flights, and everything that you can see, attractions, you can just airport taxis and all things. So you can scroll down and see as all the services that they provide. So you can just book for your a friend, a relative, or you can just make a client from your online. And the fifth one is a photo edit. So after, like, if someone has came to the beach, you can just edit their photo. So to edit their photo, you can just use as Pixel Cut AI. So this is actually for product. You can use for your personal use also, because it changes your background, or you can just open your Photoshop and edit it. And the second last is Airbnb. So you can just uh, rent your apartment where you're living with your alone. If you're living with alone, like alone you are, you can just share the apartment in your Airbnb and you can just generate the income. So the last is your DG store or ClickBank. Okay, so we can just search as DG store 24 affiliate program. So we have to just click on here DG store 24. So here we can see we have our option of sign up. We can just click on the sign up button. So here you have to just write our mail password. So I've made the account. I will click on our login. Click on login. So from here you can just take the products, for example, like a fitness product or a product that will attract the customer of your site. Okay, just you can go to your marketplace, uh, my offers on market, advertising media, all offers in the affiliate marketplace. So here you can just do, so here from here you can just search the product and the vendor if you want. So if you follow this 7 business, I make sure that you will earn a huge amount of money in your summers. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.